back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're looking at 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, ranging from affordable riders to unique vintage finds. Number 1. 1974 Honda CB200, $2,000, Oneonta, Alabama. First up is a 1974 Honda CB200, a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle from Honda's popular CB lineup of the 1970s. This particular example shows around 5,700 miles and is described as being in near-perfect running condition. The bike still retains many of its original components, including the factory paint, seat, and exhaust system. Small displacement Hondas like the CB200 are widely appreciated for their reliability, simple mechanics, and easy riding nature. With its low mileage and vintage green finish, this bike could make a great option for relaxed back road rides, beginner classic riders, or collectors looking for a well-preserved small Honda from the 1970s. Number 2. 1995 Harley-Davidson Road King, $7,000, Kernersville, North Carolina. Next is a 1995 Harley-Davidson Road King, showing about 29,000 miles. The Road King has long been one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable touring motorcycles, combining classic cruiser styling with comfortable long-distance riding capability. This example features extended saddlebags, a large 21-inch front wheel, and an air ride suspension system in the rear. The seller also mentions that a previous owner reportedly performed some cylinder head work and installed a camshaft, although the exact specifications are unknown. Number 3. 1971 Yamaha CS motorcycle, $2,500, Greer, South Carolina. Next up is a 1971 Yamaha CS motorcycle, showing just around 2,550 miles. According to the seller, the bike has been carefully garage kept for most of its life and remains in very clean condition for its age. It still wears its distinctive original purple paint and retains many factory-correct parts and accessories. The bike also comes with a new battery and an additional set of tires, making it a charming vintage Yamaha that could be enjoyed on casual rides or preserved as a classic. Number 4. 1979 BMW R65, $3,700, Branson, Missouri. Next is a 1979 BMW R65, part of BMW's well-known air-cooled Boxer motorcycle lineup from the late 1970s. This example shows around 29,000 miles and is described by the seller as being in nearly perfect condition. The bike reportedly runs and rides beautifully and includes useful touring extras such as hard saddlebags and a rain cover. It has also received new tires and a new headlight, and the seller notes that it comes with a clean title, making it a ready-to-enjoy vintage BMW. Number 5. 1976 Kawasaki KZ, $4,000, Rochester, Illinois. Next is a 1976 Kawasaki KZ, finished in a bright orange color. The KZ series became famous during the 1970s for its powerful engines, strong acceleration, and reputation as one of the performance leaders of the era. According to the seller, this bike drives well and offers a fast and enjoyable ride on the road. With its clean title and classic Japanese styling, this vintage Kawasaki could be a fun motorcycle for enthusiasts who appreciate 1970s performance bikes. Number 6. 1969 Norton Chopper, $5,500, Van Buren Township, Michigan. Next is a 1969 Norton Chopper, a custom build that reflects the classic chopper style popular during the late 1960s and 1970s. According to the seller, the bike is period correct throughout and comes with a clean green Michigan title. It is described as running very well and recently fitted with fresh Amal carburetors. The seller also includes several extra parts along with an old-school bell painted to match the bike. One small detail mentioned is a dent on the fuel tank that was already present when the seller purchased the motorcycle, but overall it appears to be a solid vintage custom. Number 7. 1978 Suzuki GS 750, $1,900, Louisville, Kentucky. Next up is a 1978 Suzuki GS 750 showing around 29,075 miles and finished in a distinctive purple color. The GS 750 was one of Suzuki's early inline-four motorcycles and became known for its strong performance and smooth engine. According to the seller, the bike drives well and delivers a fast, enjoyable ride. It also comes with a clear Indiana title in hand, making it a fairly affordable entry into classic late 1970s Japanese performance motorcycles. Number 8. 1960 Vespa 150, $3,200, Holland, Ohio. Next is a 1960 Vespa 150, a classic Italian scooter that has long been admired for its timeless design and simple mechanical layout. The seller originally planned to perform a full restoration after purchasing the scooter about 5 years ago. During the pandemic, the engine was rebuilt by Cathay Racing in Ypsilanti, Michigan. However, the scooter has mostly sat since then, and the seller says it currently isn't receiving fuel properly. The sale includes manuals, tools, and extra parts that could help with finishing the project. Number 9. 1984 Honda Nighthawk 700S, $2,400, Riverwoods, Illinois. Next is a 1984 Honda Nighthawk 700S, showing about 34,200 miles. This model is known for its shaft drive system and overdrive gear, features that helped make it a comfortable and practical street motorcycle in the 1980s. The seller notes that the carburetors were replaced last summer, and the bike starts reliably. The battery is in good condition, and while the tires still have plenty of tread, they are beginning to show their age. Overall, it is described as a fun motorcycle for everyday riding. Number 10. 2000 Indian Chief, $8,500, Milford, Ohio. Rounding out this part of the list is a 2000 Indian Chief from the Gilroy, California era. This one-owner motorcycle is powered by an S&S Super Stock 88 engine with 1,450 cc's of displacement. The bike has received several recent updates, including new tires, battery, voltage regulator, and stator. It also features Samson True Dual exhaust, braided lines, beach bars for a more relaxed riding position, and multiple seat and sissy bar options. And the seller says it starts easily and rides beautifully. Number 11. 1967 BSA Lightning Custom Project, $1,000, Poinet, Wisconsin. Next is a 1967 BSA Lightning custom bobber project that remains unfinished and is being sold as a build project. The motorcycle is powered by a BSA A65 engine that has been rebuilt and bored 0.60 over, and it is equipped with a Boyer electronic ignition system. The seller notes that the bike still needs several items, including a title, fuel lines, electrical wiring, and brake and throttle cables. It will also come with several extras, such as a motorcycle lift, helmet, manuals, passenger seat, and additional parts, making it an interesting project for someone looking to complete a custom British twin. Number 12, 1982 Kawasaki KZ750 CSR Twin, $3,500, Xenia, Ohio. Next up is a 1982 Kawasaki KZ750 CSR Twin, showing an incredibly low 1,952 original miles. The seller describes the bike as being in excellent condition and running very well, making it ready to ride and enjoy. Motorcycles with mileage this low are becoming increasingly difficult to find, especially examples that remain largely original. With its classic early 1980 styling and smooth middleweight twin engine, this KZ750 could be a great addition for collectors or riders looking for a clean, vintage Kawasaki. Number 13, 1969 Triumph 750 Chopper, $3,500, Calabash, North Carolina. Next is a 1969 Triumph 750 Chopper finished in black. Custom Triumph choppers like this were popular builds during the late 1960s and 1970s, when British twins were commonly used as the foundation for custom motorcycles. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been sitting for some time, but does come with additional spare parts and a clean title. With some attention and mechanical work, it could potentially be brought back to life as a vintage custom bike. Number 14. 1986 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $4,000, Camden, Ohio. Next is a 1986 Harley-Davidson Sportster that has been built into a custom motorcycle and is currently titled as a 2023 assembled bike. It features a Paco frame paired with a 1986 883 engine, along with a 6-over extended front end. The bike also includes a new starter, zero-gravity battery, and braided lines throughout the build. The seller describes it as a reliable machine that rides well and is ready to go, noting that it has had several different looks over the years. Number 15. 1970 Honda CB100, $975, Decatur, Illinois. Rounding out the list is a 1970 Honda CB100 finished in gold. This small vintage Honda single has recently received several mechanical updates, including a newly bored cylinder, new clutch, new battery, new ignition points, and new tires. The seller says the motorcycle runs well and is a good functional rider rather than a show bike. It also comes with a title, making it an affordable and simple classic motorcycle for someone looking for an easy vintage ride. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycle finds every day.